That means they're treating for a vagina.
You see, you are one of the best students I have, and I don't want to lose you to this kind of stupid thing. Eh?
I don't have any money. Just like her sister Chloe, she will bring pregnancy to this house. And I'm not ready to waste my money on that.
Why? What have I done to deserve this? What did I do wrong?
Besides, she's a woman. What is she doing with education? Huh?
Aja, these girls won't keep their eyes off you, especially when you are teaching them. They will be using their money gestures to seduce you.
Chamon, your teaching was too good and the thing was too good. You wanted to kill me.
I love you and nothing can change it.
I don't love you. Stop following guys so that guys will follow you.
Please help me pay my fees. I beg you in the name of God.
I'm already naked. I'm ready for you.
I think I've met my dream husband.
And I can't wait to date. Are you not supposed to be engaged to Mavi? Forget Mavi. You are going home to curse?
I said I have eggs in my house.
I would deal with her.
Is he your father?
And your grandfather?
Paul, I'm not interested.
I can see it in your eyes.
So I want to have a taste of that thing you have been giving to my friend.
Sex, right?
Hey, okay.
Hey, please let me go.
Stay far away from Alaba.
I am pregnant. So you are still waiting for the government in this village?
Yes!
Pastor, you are shitting and you are talking shit. Next time, your head.
These ladies in this village, I will make sure that I taste all of you.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days, back in the